Everyone, I'm Arthur Cubus Smith Jr. I'm from San Roque, Agdao, Davao City, and I have something to tell you about compound predicates. Compound predicates contain two or more simple predicates. They are joined by a connecting word such as and or. You have learned that a sentence can have more than one simple subject. A sentence can also have more than one simple predicate. When a sentence has two or more simple predicates joined by the connecting word and or the predicate is called a compound predicate. Example: children in the park jump, played, or run. You will choose or jump, played, or run to connect a sentence. I, Al and I will walk fast and stop at James' house. Will walk and stop is example of compound predicates. People open umbrellas, hop on buses, or dash into stores. That's all. Thank you.